Here we go with another Star Wars Land update in Anaheim, California. It is quite windy today. It's Sunday, right around 1 o'clock. You can see they got all the forms up here. We have now started on the farms on the very west side, outer side towards the street here. There's the Critter Country walk right there, all closed off because they're doing work over there, where you would load on the canoes. And you can see here where the elevator shafts are going to be. They've got that all coated off and going to be concreted in really soon. That is exciting. There's a storage there for Fantasmic all covered up. There's one of the entrances back there behind the crane. As you see, there's a lot more equipment here this time. I think I've counted a total of 8 cranes here. Getting farther along, so exciting. For more updates, guys, please like and subscribe. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. We'll be back in about a week, maybe a week and a half, with another update.